Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Lego Typewriter that I recently purchased from Amazon. I've really enjoyed building it, so I wanted to take a moment to provide a detailed review. Firstly, let me talk about my initial impressions when I received the Lego Typewriter. It came in a really strong box and the contents were arranged in a series of numbered bags to make the parts easy to find as you work through the steps. There is also a cardboard envelope containing the instruction booklets and the pad containing the letters that you can use inside the typewriter, so none of them got damaged in transit. I've only ever helped build smaller Lego sets with my children before, so I was a bit daunted by the number of pieces in this set, but the instructions were clear and the pieces fit together well. I thought this letter pad was a really nice touch, especially as there are so many different languages included for you to use. It adds realism to the display of the typewriter when it is finished. Lego pieces inside that form the moving parts are different colours to help you differentiate between the pieces on the instructions, which really help to make them easy to follow. Although the descriptions online stated that there were moving parts, I was very surprised by the realistic motions of the typewriter. The keys depress when you touch them, and the middle arm moves onto the roller to mimic typing the letters. The carriage also moves along with each key that you press. Then when you get to the end of the line, you can use the arm to move it back to the start, as you would a real typewriter. It's really clever. I found the set really fun to build and a great way to have some me time at the end of the day, without being in front of a screen. I would definitely be buying another large Lego set like this to help me unwind after a long day. I would recommend it to any adult that is interested in building Lego for fun or as a way to relax, and also to older children, as my 11-year-old would also be able to build this. I would give it 4.5 out of 5.